Hi guys, welcome back to our channel again. In this video we will see how we can create a simple drop down list using Excel. So here we have one question, for example, what is your iPhone model, and here we need to type the answer. So instead of typing, we can choose on item or string from the drop down. In this video we will see how we can do this thing. So at first, this is a workbook, and in this workbook we have text, like on example text is what is your iPhone model, and here we want to create on drop down. And okay, and this drop down data we will pick from this sheet. So this is another sheet. Here we are writing all the iPhone models, for example. Okay, so here I put couple of iPhone models over here. Okay, and from sheet on we want to create a drop down which actually will show you the data based on this sheet. Okay, so you can rename this thing if you wish. So for example, if you want to rename, you can double click or you can right click and then you can choose rename. So I'm just double clicking over there and then I'm typing the iPhone model's name, for example iPhone model names, for example, just like this. Okay, or we can even make more shorter, like iPhone model. Anyway, everything is fine. So let's come to the sheet on. Now we want to map this thing as a drop down list. Okay, so at first we need to choose from where we have to choose the data. So this is the data we have, right? And now we have to choose where we want to place the drop down. So for example, we want to place the drop down here. Okay, so at first select the cell. So your cell might be select like this way. So before doing the drop down, at first we have to select the cell. So for example, we want to uh, create a drop down here. So I am going to select here, and then we have to go in this ribbon. So in this ribbon there is on particular tab, it is called data. We have to click this data, and then this thing will be changed, and from this data you will see this type of thing. If you move your cursor, you will see that it is showing data validation. So we have to use this icon. So I'm going to click here, and then it will open this type of thing. And for drop down, at first we have to go settings, and under settings there are two options. One is allow and another is data. So before choosing data, we must have to choose allow, what type of things we are trying to do. So as it will be a drop down, that means a list. Okay, so from this drop down, if you click here, then it will show you actually a couple of options. So our goal was to create a drop down, so I'm going to use this list option. Once you click list, then this type of field will be opened. Here it is asking what will be the source. That means for this drop down we need couple of options, right, or data, and this thing is coming from here. Okay, this second sheet. Okay, so what I am going to do, I have to click source here. I must have to click here, and then after that we have to choose the cell or the sheet where the data is there. So I'm going to click here, and then it will go there, and from here we have to choose which data we want to choose. In this video we are seeing only the static data set. Okay, for dynamic data set I'm not going to show you here. For that I will create a different tutorial. Okay, so these are the options. So I'm going to select all this, just click here and then drag and up to the rows or values which you want to show as a drop down. Once you select that, you will see a dash like box over there, and here you will see the changes. Here it is showing that iPhone model names, that is the sheet name, and it is showing from where to where. So once you highlight the data which you want to show as a drop down, then we have to come here, I mean this data validation, and then we have to choose OK button. And once you click OK, then it will directly jump to the first page. Okay, and from here if you put your cursor, I mean if you select this cell, now you will see there is a small triangle like thing, and this is a drop down. If you click here, then it will pop up all the options, and these options means these values are coming from this second sheet, and from here you can easily choose, and then it will show you the data. I can extend the data field, I mean the cell field. If I drag, and it will show you the full value of that field. So in this way you can also choose some other thing also, like iPhone 11 Pro, like this, and it will uh, highlight the data. I mean this data is coming from there. So in this way you can easily create a simple drop down list in Excel. Hopefully by watching this video you are able to create a simple drop down list in Excel. And if you like this video, or if you feel this video is useful to you, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.